Minecraft 101. 101. Today I'm with a sassy sister.
Hello.
And we're doing a slime video. We will be right back with you in a second, everyone.
No.
Yes.
Yeah, that's fine.
How much did I put in here?
Not a lot at all.
Yeah, I need to make sure you have our
There's a whole entire bottom?
No.
As soon as you hang up with me.
Stop.
Okay.
Okay, now we're doing.
Thanks.
Okay. Now.
And now the toothpaste.
No.
Oh yeah, the sugar.
Bless your coughiness. I don't understand.
Just a little.
Just a pinch. Now we get the spoon.
Look at it. And you start.
It's getting slimier and slimier.
Let's add in the toothpaste.
No.
In our next video, we will probably do this liquid and toothpaste.
But right now, we still have no clue if this will work. So I'll be back with you when we're done stirring.
So I done this
With toothpaste.
yeah with toothpaste and rated my cousin.
This is how mine's going.
Nightcraft
This is how hers is going.
101 is thinking that
Hers is gonna be good.
yeah.
I'm not sure about mine, but we still have to fridge it, and I'm not done stirring, so we'll be back with you in a minute. Bye. So guys, something major has happened. Mine is getting a body.
He put toothpaste in it.
Maybe not.
He did.
And then JC's is getting a body too.
Mine already has a body. That's what you said.
I know. So we are about to put it in the refrigerator. We'll be back with you in a little bit. So
In
bye.
45 minutes.
But anyway, that's just
Guys, it's been barely 20 minutes, and we can't do this. We can't make it for 45 minutes. We're going to be up till 11 p.m.
11:04 p.m.
Seriously. I can't live this long. That's
I wish our
madness.
slime could be ready in like 30 minutes.
I wish we had.
How about we check it in 30 minutes?
Guys, in the future, one of y'all out there needs to create a machine that you put a timer on, and it can freeze or cool down anything for that to end. That is a lot, and the time on it, it's like it was in there as long as the time says. And also, guys,
two times, two
hold on.
slimes.
Yeah, her slime and my slime. I am super sorry that I haven't.
Another one.
Hold on, no, we're not. I am super sorry that I haven't been posting videos. It's been a long time. It's been very hard. School.
It took us like 5,000 years to let her do slime.
Yes, we've been bugging. We've been begging, and it's been a while because I don't really have that much stuff to do and school. Oh, how I hate school. Well, I guess I'll see y'all in a minute. I know what we can do, guys. It's easy. It's very easy. We shall do a role play. I'm not going to into that. I mean, let's talk about YouTubers. Follows. It's been years since YouTube was created, but all those famous YouTubers, once they got famous, all they would ever do was role plays, and it got boring quick. And guys, I just want you to know that I'm gonna try my hardest to never be like that. Because I mean, like, look at Markiplier and Jeff Jacksepticeye. Sure, they're kind of funny, but they really just play the same games over and over again. And then Dainty Dan, like, the only game he plays is Minecraft. I'm gonna be the YouTuber that changes that.
Amy wanted to say I was slime, so I showed him.
I'll be back in a minute. Guys, we just wanted to show you some of our slime. JC's trying to hold hers. But we're going to put them back in a minute, so goodbye. Guys, we got bored, like really, really, really bored.
We took it out.
We decided to take out these rocks that I smashed this morning. And it doesn't sound good, but they are. It's special rocks that you can buy at the Houston Zoo. This isn't, by the way, this is not sponsored. But I just wanted to show you them because we got bored, and it's got quartz inside. Not worth money for all those money lovers out there, but shiny, nice, and
Yeah, you can trick somebody with them and say that they're money.
and they're like $5, $10, and it'd be a good gift for Valentine's Day. No,
You just throw it.
we can give her my old slime. Actually, I'm gonna have 3 slimes after this, so I don't know what I'm gonna do.
You have 3 slimes. Can I make another slime?
The one I bought, the one my friend made, and the one I'm gonna make, or making. But yeah, let's show these in the light. They shimmer and they shine because they're genies and divine. I watch too much shows.
But that's
I'm
from
forced.
You like shimmer and shine?
No,
Then why did you get it off of there?
because at my dad's house, I'm forced to watch it because of my little sister.
Okay.
I don't like it. It's like torture, but recreated.
Why don't you just do that?
Here's a better look for the shininess. Let the camera focus on it. Now shine closely. Not like right at it, but close around it. It shimmers. Yeah. Guess we're going back to being bored. Darn your life. Bye. No. Tracy, no. Guys, we're drinking beer. Actually, it's not beer. It's cream soda. We need sugar to stay up.
Do you hear it snoring?
Snoring at such a young age.
10:46.
Oh my gosh! What is she doing? Oh my gosh, guys, look at that.
What is that?
It's like
I don't know.
5 minutes away. Yes. Guys, guess what? It is slime.
Look.
You see that Lion King thing I did? It is slime.
Here's slime.
Okay, guys, so that is a 3-step way to make slime. First,
I think you
dish liquid. Second, sugar.
salt. And next,
And third, toothpaste. So, guys, comment down below if this works for you. And also, you need to put it in the fridge for 45 minutes.
and subscribe.
And subscribe for more slime videos, possibly, and other videos.
And Sassy Sisters.
And Sassy Sisters. Bye!